Welcome aboard, future investors. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of the stock market. Imagine a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits or fabrics, we're trading shares of publicly held companies. This bustling hub, regulated to ensure fairness, helps determine prices, and serves as a pulse check for our economy. The concept isn't new, with the first stock market appearing in London in 1773, and in the US in 1790. Fast forward to today, these markets have gone digital, offering a cornucopia of securities beyond just stocks. So how does this virtual marketplace operate? Let's dig in. At the very core, the stock market serves two key functions: the primary and secondary market activities. The primary market is where new shares are created and sold to the public through initial public offerings, or IPOs. These IPOs give companies a way to raise capital for growth and expansion. Then we have the secondary market. This is where the magic really happens. It's the bustling arena where investors buy and sell these previously issued shares from other investors, not directly from the companies. This is the trading we often see depicted in movies and news, with stock prices fluctuating in real time. Now, how do we keep track of all these movements? That's where market indicators like the S&P 500 come into play. These indicators track the performance of a selection of stocks and give us an idea of the market's overall direction. But who are the key players making all this happen? Well, we have stockbrokers who act as the middlemen in transactions, portfolio managers who make investment decisions on behalf of their clients, and investment bankers who assist companies in raising capital. These professionals, along with many others, keep the wheels of this marketplace turning. Regulated by local authorities like the SEC in the US, stock markets ensure fair and efficient markets. They play a vital role in capital formation, economic growth, and provide investment opportunities. Now that you have a basic understanding of what the stock market is and how it works, are you ready to start investing? Taking that first step towards investing might seem daunting, but remember, knowledge is power. The key is to understand the playing field, which in this case is the stock market, before diving headfirst into the investing pool. So, go on, take that leap of faith, but do so with the wisdom of the market behind you. If you enjoyed this quick dive into the stock market, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to comment with your thoughts on the stock market. Until next time, happy investing.